Hello students, hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to discuss the question paper, specimen question paper of class 10th for the subject computer applications. Okay. And in this video, I will discuss the section A only. As you know, there are two sections in your question paper. So section A is compulsory section and section B will have 6 programs. Out of 6 programs, you need to attempt only 4. So that section B I will discuss in the next video. In this video, I will discuss only section A. And section A contains 2 questions. Question number 1 will have 20 MCQs and question number 2 will have 10 short answers questions. Okay. So in this video, I'm going to discuss only the section A. So here we go without wasting your and my time. Here we are going to discuss this question paper. See, this is, let me show you, this is what? This is specimen question paper, which is provided by council. Okay, council means board. See here, ICSE 2022-2025 examination specimen question paper, computer application. Students, just take care of this. This is your subject name, computer applications. Okay, this is your subject name. You're supposed to write this in the subject column of your in your answer sheet, okay, in the examination. And this you can read the things you know. I'm not going to discuss. Here I'm telling you this paper is divided into 2 sections. Attempt all questions from section A. As I told, section A is compulsory section. And any 4 questions from section B. Section B will have 6 programs. Out of 6 programs, you need to attempt only 4. Okay. So it will happen. Now coming to, so this you can read and I think you know. I'm coming to the question. See here, question number 1. Okay. Here it is written, do not copy the question, write the correct answers only. So which question we are going to attempt? We are going to attempt question number 1. Question 1. Okay. See. So you can see it is given that what is this one? It is name the above structure. Is it one-dimensional array? No. Is it 2-dimensional array? Yes, it is 2-dimensional array. And how many rows are here? 1, 2, 3, 4 rows are here. Okay. And how many columns? 5 columns are here. 5 columns are here. Okay. So it is a 2-dimensional array with 4 rows and 5 columns. Okay. So option B is correct. So please listen carefully how you supposed to write the answer of MCQs in the examination. This proper way I'm telling you. This is question number 1 I have written already. Then this question number 1, first part. Answer of this is what? Which option is correct? B. So don't write only B or don't write only the answer 2-dimensional array with 4 rows and 5 columns. Write both. Kindly write both. It will create less confusion for the examiner. Okay. So here write down 2-dimensional array. 2-dimensional array with 4 rows and 5 columns. Kindly write both, not only B, not only answer, write both. Okay. With less confusion, examiner will check your copy. Okay. Now this is the answer of question number A. Okay. Now I'm going for question number 2. Java compiled code, that is also called bytecode, can run on all operating system. Name the feature. This is called platform independent. You know, bytecode can be executed on any platform. Because of bytecode only, the Java is platform independent language. Okay. So that's why this feature is called platform independent. So how will I write the answer? 2 and C. And this answer is platform independent. Platform independent. Okay. So, right, you're supposed to write not only option, write the answer only. Now question number 3. This is done. Now question number 3. The size of /n. Since /n is a character, a single character. You know, /n is a escape sequence character and it stands for new line. If you are writing, you are typing /n, it means you are typing which character? You are typing new line character. It is one single character. Slash is here, so it is a escape sequence. The size of character data type is 2 bytes. So answer of this will be 2 bytes. So how will you write? 3, option 3, what is this? Option A is correct, so option A, and the answer is 2 bytes. Okay, kindly write like this. Answers you're supposed to write like this. Okay. Now coming to the next question, question number 4. Identify the operator that gets the highest precedence while evaluating the expression. Means highest precedence means which operator will be executed first. Highest precedence which operator have in this. So you know addition, multiplication, division and modulus. These three operators have same precedence. Like that, plus and minus both have same precedence. Multiplication, division and modulus, these three operators have same precedence but higher than plus and minus. And plus and minus also have same precedence but lower than multiplication, division and modulus. Okay. So here you can see plus is here, modulus is here, multiplication is here and minus is here. So plus and minus have lower precedence, so we will not go for this first. Now here modulus and division both are coming in sequence. As I told, multiplication and modulus both have what? Same precedence. So in this case, if the operators are coming in a sequence, if the operators of same precedence are coming in sequence, then what we do? We apply the associativity rule. Okay, and associativity rule for arithmetic operator. As you know, these are the arithmetic operators. So for arithmetic operators, the associativity rule is left to right. So since this modulus and division both have same precedence, that's why we'll move from left to right, and which will come first will be calculated first. So here this modulus operator will be calculated first. So it has the highest precedence. So option B here, question number 4. Option B is correct. The answer is what? Modulus. Don't write only the option, don't write only the answer, write both. Again and again I'm telling this. Okay, please follow this. Now 5. Which of the following is a valid Java keyword? You know there are 51 or 52 keywords in Java, and most of the keywords are in lowercase. Please remember this point. Most of the keywords are in lowercase. So here only this keyword, this is a valid keyword and it is in lowercase. If there is no such, this is wrong, this is wrong, this is also wrong. Only this is correct. So answer what? 5, C, and the answer is static. So remember that all the keywords in Java are in lowercase, as much I know. 52 are there and all are in lowercase. The output of the following code is, okay, mathematical functions ki video hai. There is a video I have already uploaded for mathematical functions. You can go through that and you can learn all these things. Here two functions they have used, ceil and floor function. Each and every function which are in syllabus I have discussed in that video. So if you say, I will put the link of that video. Mat.ceil 6.4. You know, ceil function returns the nearest integer greater than this argument. Nearest integer greater than this argument 6.4 से बड़ा. Nearest integer क्या है? 7 है. The nearest integer greater than 6.4 is what? 7. So it will you will get 7.0. Ceil function returns double type of value. Most of the functions of math class return double type of value. That's why I'm putting 0.0. Okay, G7.0. Now mat.floor, just opposite of ceil. -1, -2 will be what? -3. So -3. The -1, -2 will be what? -3. Means the nearest integer less than -3. The -3 itself an integer value. So it is nearest to itself. So the result of this will be -3.0. Okay, and then both will be added to 7 plus -3.0. 7.0 minus 3.0 will be what? 4.0. Okay, the answer is 4.0. So how will write 6? Answer 6, D and 4.0. 4 will not be the correct answer because both function return double type of value, and in double type point must be there. Okay, coming to the next question. Which of the following returns a string? Which function returns a string? Students, please remember that in case of string function, I have uploaded the video for string functions also. and you have to remember all that string functions with their full prototype, means name of the function, how many arguments that function requires, and what is the return type of that function. Everything should be in mind. You can see this, such questions are coming there. So which of the following returns a string? So here only this replace function returns a string. Length function returns an integer value. Char function returns a char type of value. Index of function returns an integer value. Only replace function returns means it replaces the character given as first argument by the character second argument and create a new string and return. So this is the answer. Only replace function. So how will write 7? The answer of 7. Option C is correct, and the answer is replace. Only replace char. Only this function will return string type of value. Okay. So please revise all the string functions also. Which of the following is not true with regards to a switch statement? Switch statement के according क्या इसमें से गलत है? Which of following is not true? Just take care of this word not. Okay. So checks if any equality between inputs and case label. Checks for an equality between the inputs and case label. This is correct. Supports floating point constants. No, this is wrong. Break is used to exit from the switch block. It is also. So the answer is, means it is said, okay, not correct, not true. So the answer is this B. Case labels are unique. Yes, case labels are unique. This is also true for switch. This is also true for switch. This is also true for, only B is not true for the switch. So the answer will be B. B. So how will write 8? And option is B, and supports floating point constant. Supports floating point constant. This is not true for the switch case. You know, I'm telling you, checks for an equality means when, you know, switch, I'm explaining with example. Switch, consider A is here, and case 1, case 2, something is there, case 2 is there. So what happens, you know, working off, there is a video for switch case also there, you can learn it thoroughly. In brief, I'm telling you. See, whatever the value of A is compared with each case value, and it is compared for the equality only. Whether the value of A is equal to this case, consider the value of A is 2. So what will check in the case of switch? We say check whether this A is equal to this or not. So A is equal to 1, no. Then A is equal to 2, yes. This case is matching with this variable value. The value of A is 2, and is it equal to this case value? Yes. So here we are checking for the equality. Okay. Second thing, it supports floating point. No. Here in switch case, in switch statement, here we can use only the variables of byte, short, int, char, and string type only. String type. Only these types are allowed here. As a variable, we cannot use the variables of floating point, means variable of float and double type. We cannot use here in the switch statement. Okay. Break is used for exit from the switch block, that you know. And case labels are unique. Yes, you cannot take two cases as same case, means case one cannot be repeated. Case labels are unique. So only option B was correct, which is not true for the switch. Okay, not true. Take care of this. Okay, coming to the next question. Now see, consider the array given below, char this, and write the output of the following CH0. Okay, here index number, this is what a one-dimensional array directly initialized 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. This is array. Okay. CH0, what is that index number 0? Capital A. Capital A into 2 means the capital A is a character. Its ASCII value will be 65. 65 into 2. Multiplication result will be a number. 65 into 2 will be 130. So the answer is 130. Okay. So how will write? 9. And the answer is B, option B, and 130. Okay. Now coming to the next question. To execute a loop 10 times, which of the following is correct? Okay. So listen carefully. This options are very confusing. If you will not take care of this, no, you will do the mistake. See here. It is going from 11 to 30, but increment of 2 means how many times it should be repeated? 11, then next will be what? 13, then next will be what? 15, then next will be what? 17, and then how many times we need to repeat? 10 times. 10 times repeat करना है. तो इसमें से कौन सा करेक्ट है? कौन सा लूप 10 times चलेगा? This we are going to tell. So 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21, 23, and 25, 27, and 29. When the value of 29, then 31, when the value of I will be 31, this condition will be false. So this loop is repeating from 11 to 29. So count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This option is correct. Okay, this loop will be repeated 10 times. अगर ये नहीं होता तो फिर हम next check करते, लेकिन अब इसी पर 10 मिल गया हमें. देखो, there is increment of 2, here increment of 3. So if we'll go from 11 to 30 and 3 increments, it will not be repeated 10 times. It's obvious. It is going from 11 to less than 20. Equal to is not here. 11 to 20, it will repeat 9 times only. Here also, 11 to 21, it will repeat 21 times. 11 times, sorry, 11 times. So these options are not correct. This is correct only. So answer will write like this, 10, option A, and then you will write for loop. That complete answer, please write like this always. Don't be lazy. You know, if you write both, examiner will not be confused. Who will correct your copy? No, he will correct your copy without any confusion. मार्क्स क्लियरली देगा, वो उसको सारी चीज समझ में आएंगे. ऐसे एफर्ट लगाता है एग्जामिनर हर तरह से, बट अगर दोनों चीज लिखा रहेगा तो एग्जामिनर कंफ्यूज नहीं होगा कभी भी. तुम्हारा मार्क्स गलती से भी नहीं कटेगा अगर सही है आंसर तो. ओके, कमिंग टू द नेक्स्ट. A single dimensional array has 50 elements. Which of the following is the correct statement to initialize the last element to 100? 50 elements means the first index will be 0, the last index will be 49. 50 elements, okay, 0 to 49, okay. And here it is said to initialize 100 to the last element, so this option is correct. So 11, and here I will write option, which option? C is correct. And what is that? X 49 equal to 100. No need to explain and write all these, just write the answer, okay, directly write the answer, don't copy the question also. Okay, coming to the next question, question number 12. Method prototype for the method compute which accepts 2 integer arguments. 2 integer arguments are here and here too, okay, and returns true or false. True or false, so boolean and boolean. So this is the correct answer. It is requiring 2 integer argument and returning true or false. This is correct answer. This is incorrect because B is capital and we cannot declare the argument variables like this. They are declared separately. You cannot write int a comma int b, int a comma int b you have to declare. You cannot write int a comma b. This is incorrect. Argument variables are declared separately. Remember that. So option B is correct. Here the option B is correct. So how will write? Option B is correct. So click here. I'm sorry. He will write 12. Every time I'm telling that how to write the question, please friends follow this. Boolean compute int a comma int b. Okay, coming to the next question. Question number 13. The statement that brings to control back to the calling method is return statement. You know, return statement is a jump statement. It returns a value from the function. And when a function returns a value, control goes back to there from where it is called. मतलब वही बोल रहा है, जहां से कॉल हुआ कंट्रोल वहीं चला जाए, कॉलिंग मेथड के पास चला जाएगा वापस. रिटर्न. Okay, then next question number 14. The default value of boolean variable is false. Here this false is incorrect. The false is will be in lowercase. Is in lowercase. So the default value of boolean variable is false. Answer C, option C, answer is false. Capital F is incorrect, small f, okay, remember that. True and false, both constants are in lowercase. Okay, coming to the next question. The method convert to lowercase character to uppercases. Convert a lowercase character to uppercase is. We are going to convert the character. So lowercase को uppercase में convert करना. So character dot string dot to uppercase, this is wrong. Character dot is uppercase, wrong. Character dot to uppercase, this is correct. Lowercase to uppercase, this is the correct. This is correct answer. No, here is uppercase, we'll check whether the character is in uppercase or not, is uppercase. This will convert the character lowercase to uppercase, okay. This is the correct answer. How will write? 15, option C, character dot to uppercase, char. Okay, student, kindly write both, okay. दोनों में से गलती से भी कोई एक भी गलत होगा तो एक तो सही रहेगा, जैसे आई एम टेलिंग यू, लिखते टाइम गलतियां हो जाती हैं, ठीक है. Now assertion and reason, such question will have students. Here assertion means a statement will be given and a reason of that will be given. Integer class can be used in the program without calling a package. Integer class can be used in a program without calling a package. It is true. You know, integer class is a wrapper class, and wrapper class belongs to wrapper class, integer wrapper class, or all the wrapper classes belong to java.lang package, and java.lang package is a default package, okay. So without java.lang package is a default package, means it is imported with each and every program automatically. हर program के साथ automatically attach हो जाता है, import हो जाता है, इसको import नहीं करना पड़ता है. So this statement is correct. Even java.lang package is already uploaded, so we can use the integer class because integer class belongs to wrapper class. So it is a wrapper class, and wrapper class belongs to java.lang package. So it is correct, true. It belongs to default package java.lang. The reason is also correct. Okay. It belongs to, why it is? Because it belongs to java.lang package. So here both assertion and reason are true, and the reason R is correct explanation of A. This option is correct. So here you write, please don't feel lazy, I am writing here. You also supposed to write both. If you don't want to write completely, you can, instead of writing assertion, you can write A. Both A and R are true, and sorry, option is which option? A, option A. Don't forget to write the option as well as answer. Option as well as answer are true, and R is correct explanation of A. Complete answer. Instead of writing assertion and reason, you can write here. Okay, no problem, but write both option as well as answer. Okay, coming to the next question. Student executes the following code to increase the value of a x variable x by 2. He has written the following statement which is incorrect. Okay, here mistake is what? It should be written as x plus equal to 2. This should be interchanged. Okay, or it can also be written as x equal to x plus 2. Okay, this is shorthand operator, shorthand assignment operator, and it means x equal to x plus 2. It can be written like this also. So see the options. X plus equal to 2, this is correct, and x equal to x plus 2, this is also correct. So both A and C, this option is correct. The answer is what? Question number, it is 17. Okay, question number 17. Which option? D option is correct. What? Both A and C. Okay. Coming to the next question. The statement used to find the total number of string present in the string array is. See, S is an array of string type. Is an array of string type. Okay. So S is an array, not the string. Don't be confused. It is an array of string type. So the answer will be S dot length. This is incorrect. This is also incorrect. Only this is correct. S dot length. This bracket will not be there because S is an array. Okay. So the answer is A. So how will write X? It is what? Question number 18. Option, which option is correct? A option is correct. S dot length. So it will tell how many strings are there. Means, S will have some index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Consider it is there. And this at index number 0, there will be a string. At index number 1, there will be a string. At index number 2, there will be a string, and so on. So how many string it has? That is the size of the array. The size of the array, how will get? S dot length. Okay. Now coming to the next question, question number 19. See question number 19, consider the following program segment in which the statement are jumbled. Choose the correct order to statement to swap two variables without using third variable, using third variable. So two variables are A and B, if you know the formula. Third variable, two variables are A and B, so how it can interchange? We write T equal to A, we take a third variable, then A equal to B, and then B equal to T. This is the method to swap the value of two variables using third variable. So here T equal to A, which statement it is? T equal to A, this is 4. So 4, then A equal to B, which statement? 1. Then B equal to T, which statement? B equal to T is 2. And this T equal to 0 should be first. सबसे पहले ये T equal to 0 होना चाहिए, T must be initialized by 0. So that will be first. So 3. Okay. So 3, 4, 1, 2. 3, 4, 1, 2. This option is correct. So option B, question number 19. Option B, 3, 4, 1, and 2. This is the answer. Okay. Using third variable. These are the common things, students. You must remember that. Now coming again, one more question. There will be two questions of assertion reason. Please read this question carefully. Once, twice. While you are reading do you have the question? 15 minutes reading time. That time, read this question carefully and come to the result. Okay. An argument is a variable that is passed to a method when it is called. Okay. When we call a function, we pass some argument. Okay. Okay. Argument is a value that is passed to the method when it is called. जब function call करते हैं उसमें कुछ हम argument pass करते हैं, उस value को हम क्या बोलते हैं? Argument बोलते हैं, ठीक है? It is true. Variable which are declared, variable which are declared in a method prototype, means consider this is a function. Here I am declaring a variable int x or whatever. To receive the values are called actual parameters. No, these variables are called formal parameters. These are what? Formal parameters. What it is saying? It is saying actual parameters. This is wrong. It means confirm reason is false. See there, direct answer मिल गया. C. Answer C is correct. You supposed to write like this. Question number 20. Option C. A is true and R is false. No need to write assertion reason. If you don't want to write A and R, A for assertion, R for reason, you can write. So this is question number 1. All the MCQs I have solved. Okay, now coming to the next question. Question number 2. Now, question number 2 will have 10 short answers questions and numerical questions. You can see output based questions are here. Most of the questions are output based. Okay. Okay. Coming to this question. Let's see. Rewrite the following code using single if statement. Okay. If code equal to G, here they have used if else if statement. It is said to rewrite this using single if statement. एक ही if statement में काम हो जाए ऐसा लिखना. अगर कोड की वैल्यू कैपिटल स्मॉल जी हो तो ग्रीन प्रिंट हो, या कैपिटल जी हो तब भी ग्रीन प्रिंट. सो हियर वी कैन राइट लाइक दिस. इफ कोड इक्वल टू स्मॉल जी और code equal to capital G, then output will be system dot, and do not write SOPLN or SOP. This is wrong and your marks will be deducted. So kindly do not write SOP. If you have the habit of this, please don't use this habit in the examination. Write down system.out.println. Okay. So this is in if statement, in single if statement, we can write like this, and you can see if it is equal to G, small g or capital G, the output of both are green. So it can be written like this. अगर small g होगा तब भी condition true होगी, capital G होगा तब भी condition true होगी. दोनों केस में क्या print होगा? Green print होगा. तो this is the answer. If code equal to G, small g और इधर वन. ठीक है, आगे चलते हैं. Now question number 2. Question. Evaluate the expression when the value of a equal to 2 and b equal to 3. This we are going to evaluate. So let me show you. I am going to show you this. See. Here, just listen carefully, students. If you'll get such questions and how to solve this question, here you can see this. This is shorthand operator. It means what? B equal to B into this. So first, in this case, always expand the expression first, then solve. Okay. So here I am going to expand this expression. B equal to B into, and the remaining part this part you supposed to write in the bracket. You must have to write in the bracket, otherwise you'll get the incorrect answer. Okay. So a plus plus, the remaining part I'm writing in the bracket. Just take care of this. A plus plus minus plus plus b plus 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 a. Okay. Here I am writing the value of a and b. A, I am taking one box for a. I am writing another box for b. Please do it. Just don't think in the mind. Write everything on the answer sheet as the part of the solution you are supposed to do. So the value of b, initially the value of a is given 2 and the value of b is given what? 3. Okay. Here I am writing ऐसे नहीं, box नहीं बनाते हैं, ऐसे करते हैं. What a is given? A is this time 2 and what is b is given? 3. Okay. Now here b into a plus plus. Here you know postfix operator, video for infix and prefix and postfix have already uploaded. Increment decrement operator you can watch there. In brief I am explaining. Here it is postfix operator, so increment will not take place first. The value of a will be put in the expression. Means what is the value of b? It is 3 into what is the value of a? 2. 2 will be put. After putting 2 in the expression, it will increase by 1. It will become 3. And minus. This working you have to show. This is the solution way of solving the question. Plus plus b. Here prefix increment operator means the value of b will increase first. It will become 4. Then it will be put in the expression. Plus. Again plus plus a prefix. The value of a will increase first. You can see the value of a is about 3. Now it will become 4. First the increment will take place, then the value will be kept into the expression. Okay. Now going to solve this. 3 into minus, this will be what? Minus and plus. So 2 minus 4. You know minus, subtraction and addition both have same precedence. Okay. So we will move from left to right. For the arithmetic operator, the associativity rule is left to right. Since they are of same precedence, we will move from left to right and this minus is coming first. 2 minus 4 will be what? Minus 2 plus 4. Okay. Then 3 minus 2 plus 4 will be what? 2. 3 into 2. So b will be equal to 6. B will be what? 6 and a will be what? 4. From here you can see. This rough work is important and I do on the same page side by beside the solution. Okay, please do it. So finally you can see, so what are you printing? What is this code is printing a equal to a, means a equal to 4. So output will be, after that you can write output equal to a means 4 and b equal to b means b in the same line will be changed. Println b equal to means output will be, you write like this, output a equal to 4, b equal to 6. It should be the output. This is a solution. Kindly show this also and then write down the output. Okay, coming to the next question. Students, I think the things are clear. I hope if you have doubt, you can ask through the comment section. Okay. Now coming to the next question. Student executes the following program segment and gets an error. Identify the statement which has an error and correct the same to get the output as win. मतलब हमें एरर फाइंड करना, अगर कोई है सिंटैक्टिकल एरर है तो, और अगर एरर को रेक्टिफाई करके ऐसे लिखना है कि आउटपुट इस कोड का विन है. ओके, आई एम ट्रांसलेटिंग. ओके, सॉरी, just a minute. Look at here. Here boolean x equal to true, it's correct. Switch x, case 1 system.out.println win break, case 2 system.println lose. So what is the mistake here? Here this variable x will not be of boolean type. Boolean type is not allowed because since we are using this here as a variable of switch variable, So this must not be of Boolean type. It should, because you can see the case value is what 1 and 2. It is not true and false. It should be of int type. So the statement which has an error is this line. So as in, so here it is said, no, identify the statement which has an error. So you'll write like this. Answer will be like this. The statement having error is. Then you will write this. Boolean x equal to true. Okay, this will write and correct the same to get the output. So here it can be corrected as it will be, you can write corrected statement. Then here it is int x equal to true. Okay, this is the correction. I hope the things are clear. You can see if the value of x it will be of integer type, and the value of true we have to make 1. One more correction. Sorry, it will not become even true. The value of what we want to as output, we want win as output. The value of x should be initialized by 1. This will be the answer. Int x equal to 1. This is the correct answer. Means here one correction int, and it will be initialized by 1 to get the output 1. So when the value of x will be 1, this case will match, and you'll have the output win, and break will send the control outside the switch. Okay. Coming to the next, see here. Write the Java expression for this. So this is cube root and this is square root. For this we have CBRT function. For this we have SQRT function. So we write like this: math dot CBRT and then x plus math dot SQRT, then y. Only this much. Okay, two functions are directly we are using the function CBRT and SQRT. Coming to the next question: how many times will the following loop execute? Write the output of the code. Okay, so we are going to try to find the output, and as well as we'll count how many times it is repeating. So here you should write x equal to 10. Okay, while true. So true means this condition will be true. Control will go inside the loop. X plus plus into 2. So increment will not take place first. First the value of x, whatever it is 10, will be multiplied with 2. So 10 into 2, 20. 20 will be printed. Output here I am writing. Okay, output 20 will be printed, and the value of x will increase by 1 after that. Okay, so and then x modulus 3 equal to 0. X modulus 3 equal to 0. Condition false. What is the value of x? The value of x is 11. Condition false. So control will not go for break. So from here to closing, from the control closing will go back to here. So you can, if you can see that loop has been executed, has been repeated once. एक बार repeat हो गया. Now coming back to here. Conditions 2, control going inside the loop again. So it means second time. It is going to be executed second time. लूप कंडीशन 2 या कंट्रोल लूप के अंदर चला गया, मतलब काउंटिंग हो गई कि लूप एग्जीक्यूट हो गया. कंडीशन 2 अगेन x, व्हाट इज द करंट वैल्यू ऑफ x? इट इज 11. 11 into 2. Increment will take place afterwards because it is postfix operator. So the current value of x is 11. You can see I have written here. 11 into 2, 22 will be printed. Okay. Then the value of x will increase by 1. It will become 12. Okay. Coming to here, 12 modulus 3 will become 0. 12 को 3 से divide करोगे तो remainder 0 आएगा. Condition true. The condition true means break will send the control outside the loop. So we are outside the loop. So the output is 20, 22, and it will execute how many times? Loop will execute 2 times. Sorry, 2 times. So this is the solution. This is the output you write, and then you write loop will execute 2 times. Coming to this question, question number 7, and this also 6 is left. Question number 6, write the output of the following code method. Galaxy games system dot x dot char at 0. X dot char at 0 is capital G. Y dot caret 0 is also capital G, condition true. So the result will be of this will be true. So that will be printed. So output will be what? Output will be here true, small true. Don't write in capital letter. Then here X dot compared to Y. Compared to function, will compare character by character, and where the first mismatching is found, it returns the difference of their ASCII values. Okay, it happens. So here G and G matching. Okay, A matching, L or M, first mismatching found. So it will return their difference of their numerical values, ASCII values, whatever you want to say. So L minus M, L, M, the difference of 1 only. Okay, L or M में सिर्फ एक का difference है. So the X dot compared to Y will return 1. So true or 1, ये print होगा. Result of this will be 1 and the result of this will be true. Here true and it will print 1. Okay. Then coming to the next question. So next question, predict the following output of code snippet. Just a minute. Here coming to this question, char ch equal to b, and here we are converting this ch, that is the capital B, will be converted into lowercase. So chr will be small b. Okay. The ASCII value of small b is what? 97, 98. Okay. CHR is minus 10 means the ASCII value of CHR is what? CHR is small b, that is 98. 98 minus 10 will be 88. 88, since we are converting into integer, so in n you will have the value of n will be what? 88. Okay, integer value. Now here char n, they are converting n into char type, means 88 is the ASCII value of capital A to Z. The ASCII value is 65 to 90. Okay, so 90 means the 88 is the ASCII value of capital X, X, Y, Z, 88, 89, 90. So since it is they are converting into char type, and when it will be converted to char type, it will become capital X. Here output will be capital X, and slash t means tab, and then CHR means the value of CHR is small b. So the output will be here. Here we write like this, output or OP जो भी है. This is X, and here CHR is what? Small b. This is the answer. In the same line with some 8 spaces. Okay, tab is there. Because of tab, this space is there. Okay, so this is the output. This is the answer. Okay, and this calculation, or if whatever you want, do as a rough work on the same sheet as a part of solution. Okay, coming to the next. A student is trying to convert the string present in X to numerical value. Okay, समझना. A student is trying to convert the string present in X. X is a string, and student want to convert into a numerical value. Okay, इसको numeric number में convert करना, so that he can find the square root of the converted value. जो value okay. However, the code has an error. Name the error, syntax, logical or runtime. Correct the code so that it compiles and runs correctly. Okay, now listen what mistake it has. See, double dot pass double function returns a double type of value. Okay, and it converts a string to double type. Pass double function, this is wrapper class, and you can watch that wrapper class video to know in detail. So pass double function converts a string into double type. Okay, so double type, and here we have declared y, we have declared as of int type. So double type of value cannot be stored into a variable of int type. Possible loss of precision, such error message will come. So better what we have to do, we have to convert this into double. Okay, so which type of error is this? This is, there is no need to, it is not set to correct. अच्छा, correct करेंगे बाद में. Name the error. What is, which type of error is this? It is syntactical error. So error, you can write as like this, syntax error. Okay, then this is question number 8 na. Syntax error, and now we are going to correct this code. So pura complete code लिख लो, correct the error and compiles and runs correctly. Correct the code so that it compiles and runs correctly. So हमें correct करना है, so only this line will correct, or you can write complete program. String x equal to 25, and here instead of int, the y should be of double type, double y equal to double dot parse double x, okay, then double r, or you can write only this line, okay. Find the square root of the converted value. However, the code has a named error and correct the code so that it compiles and runs correctly. You can write only this statement or पूरा लिख देते हैं, double पूरा code correct करने के लिए बोला है, double r equal to math dot sqrt पूरा complete y and system dot out dot println r पूरा complete code. Only this correction we have done. Instead of int we have written double, okay. करेक्ट द कोड से पूरा कोड करेक्ट करना, तो पूरा कोड करेक्ट करके यहाँ पे लिख देना, ठीक है. What changes we have done? Only we have made this of double type, nothing else. Now coming to the next question, question number 9, second last question of this question number 2. Consider the following program segment, answer the questions. See, पूरा क्वेश्चन स्क्रीन पे नहीं आ रहा है, okay, देखते हैं. See, this constructor is there, this one more constructor is there. You know, this is non-parameterized constructor, but board used to say it as a default constructor. What is this? Default constructor. This is actually non-parameterized constructor, but here it is, you will consider it as a default constructor. Coming to the next, this is one more constructor there, then one function there. Now, what is the question? Name the type of constructors used in above code segment. Achha, constructors types. So this is what default constructor and this is what parameterized constructor. You can write answer like this, default constructor. You can write non-parameterized also. It will not be incorrect. It is correct. Default and parameterized constructor. Both are correct. Instead of default, if you want to write non-parameterized, that is also correct. But generally, board used to say such character constructor as a default constructor. Better you write default constructor. Maybe confusion may be created there. Better you write default constructor. And this is what parameterized constructor. Simple, it has parameters, so it is parameterized constructor. And that another previous one has not any constructor, so it is a non-parameterized constructor. Can be said. Okay, but better you write default constructor. This was the question. Name the type of the constructors used in the above program. So default answer is what? Default and parameterized constructor. लिख देना पूरा answer, ठीक है. Coming to the next last question of this section. Look at here. Question number 10. Consider the following program statement and answer the question given below. Here, this is the situation. This is the elements of first row, second row, third row. Two-dimensional array here. Let me show you. How many rows? 1, 2, 3, 3 rows and 4 columns. 3 rows, and just draw it. It will be easy for you. 0, 1, 2, and there will be less chance of incorrect answer. You will get the correct answer. Okay. बहुत कम चांस, गलत होने का चांसेस बहुत कम हो जाएगा. इसको ड्रॉ कर लोगे. देखो 2, 4, 5, 6. And you know, student, instead of thinking about the solution, just write and solve. You'll get the correct answer and quickly. If you'll think, you will imagine, you may imagine the wrong answer, you may take more time. So kindly, everything, keep on writing. पेन चलेगी, पेन चलेगी, दिमाग चलेगा. सोचोगे, टाइम भी लगेगा, गलत आंसर भी आता है. क्योंकि सोचते सोचते किसी और की याद आने लगेगी. So please take care of this. 5, 7, पेन चलेगी, दिमाग चलेगा. 34, 1, 10 and 9. अगर तुमने ये सुना पेन चलेगी दिमाग चलेगा, तो प्लीज राइट इन कमेंट सेक्शन पेन चलेगा तो दिमाग चलेगा. आई विल कम टू नो दैट वी हैव रीच टू द एंड ऑफ द क्वेश्चन दिस वीडियो. ओके, पेन चलेगी तो दिमाग चलेगा. ओके, प्लीज राइट इन कमेंट सेक्शन व्हाट इज द डायलॉग. पेन चलेगी तो दिमाग चलेगा. व्हाट इज द पोजीशन ऑफ 34. ओके, 34 की पोजीशन बतानी है. 34 कहाँ? यहाँ पे 2, इंडेक्स नंबर 2, 0. आंसर इज 2, 0. Or here x 2, 3, index number 2 and 3, 9. Okay, 2, 3 is 9, and 1, 2, 1 and 2, 8. It is 8. So 9 plus 8 will be what? 17. So what is the result of this? It will be 17. So answer is what? 2, 0 and here 17. So this is all about section A of your question paper. I have solved question number 1, question number 2. Now section B will start from here. I will come with that B section in the next video. Till that, watch this video carefully. And if any doubt, you can put your confusion, your questions in the comment section. I am waiting for you, and today and tomorrow I will be available for you all. You can ask any question through the comment section. And thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to write the comment what I said at the end. Okay. Thank you. Bye.